trying to let y'all know how grateful I am. I was a goner, and y'all saved me.
You want to show me how grateful you are? Get in there! Shut up!
So who are you?
Okay, everybody, hear this. I'm taking this woman to hang. Reward's $10,000. That money's mine, boys.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Hold on! You think I'm in cahoots with that fella or her?
That's my problem, boy. I don't know. One of them fellas, they'll kill everybody in here.
Now we're talking.
Let's slow it down. Let's slow it way down.
When you get to hell, tell him Daisy.
When John Root, the hangman, catches you, you don't die from no bullet in the back. When the hangman catches you, you hang.